Hi everyone, so in this video today I am going to show you how to do a croissant chocolate pudding. So firstly I've got my croissants and they can be slightly stale or a day or two old, that's fine. So I've taken about 4 croissants and I've sliced them lengthways, and I'm going to add in my chocolate spread in the middle all over. You can use Nutella, or if you've got a dark chocolate dairy free kind of spread with hazelnuts, that's fine. You can even make your own if you fancy. And once you've done that, you're going to tear up your croissant into pieces, and then you're going to add that into a baking tray that's been greased with some butter. So I'm going to use some eggs, I'm going to use vanilla to give it some flavour, and some plant-based double cream. So now we're going to whisk up our cream with those eggs. So whisk everything well so they're all mixed and combined together. Then I'm going to add in some coconut sugar, or if you've got caster sugar you can add that instead. And a few drops of vanilla, and then we're going to pour that custard all over our croissants. So you're going to pour that custard all over those croissant pieces and make sure that liquid is soaked up really well. So I kind of like to leave it for about 15 minutes or a little bit more. Just going to press it down gently with the back of the spoon to make sure all bits are covered. And voila, there's your make ahead croissant chocolate pudding ready to go into the oven, about 180 for about 30 to 40 minutes until cooked well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.